Hello everyone, this is Rama here from 224 Wheels. Again we have the S1000 back for like a few new additional pieces to be going on this bike. It'll be a complete track ready setup. So the first, I'll say the first is going to be the removal of these passenger rear foot pegs and then this arrow exhaust hanger with this EVOTECH part that we have, the EVOTECH exhaust hanger on this side and the blanking plate for the other side. The second change that we're going to do is just replace the rear sets with Lightech race ready rear sets. Again, those are in stock as well. You can check them on our website. You can order it there. If you need something or you have a special request, you can reach us out through an email, through a text message, or through a phone. We are here 24/7 helping you guys out. This is a super easy fix. You just need a Torx bit T40 to remove these bolts and then replace them. And then the EVOTECH does come with all the fancy parts that you need to install this. So let's get ready and start it up. As you can see, there's already a carbon fiber piece here on the other exhaust. We do see some deposits. I'll try to clean this up as much as we can and remove everything here so we can replace it with the EVOTECH part. Alright, so this came off. Now how I had this set up was basically I had the passenger pegs, and instead of using the bolt coming from the passenger peg to the arrow exhaust, I actually used the full exhaust hanger bracket provided that came with the arrow exhaust full system. So I think now we would not need it because as this is going to be a full track bike, we are probably going to remove this, put a carbon fiber rear seat on here. Let me put this on the side and try to wipe this as much as I can just to clean it up. So let's start back again. So this is all the hardware that came with this EVOTECH Performance exhaust hanger. If you can see, it has got all the necessary hardware like the bolts, the washers, the nuts that you'll need. It also has like a frame cap that will go over here, which looks quite neat. I think the next would be just to start with the work and get it all done. So I'm still trying to figure out where are we. Okay, so this piece goes right here, and I think just want to see if the length is correct. So this one should also be a super easy task, guys. There's no rocket science involved here. I'll just put the bolts together, get them ready. So once this is done, we will go ahead and put the bolt on the other side. back at S1000 again, guys. After finishing the EVOTECH Performance install, I just undid the bolts for the rear set. If you can see, it's hanging loose on the brake side. I did open the bolts on the clutch side as well. Now the only thing I need is I just need to remove these bushings at the back, so that I can take these rear sets out. Once that is done, we'll be installing the Lightech rear sets.
Hey, finally, thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like it, please press the like button. Here's the side view for the EVOTECH Performance exhaust handle. Please follow us, subscribe to us to get more useful content for your motorcycles and cars. Take care. Bye bye.